Hi, this is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today with our Art Impressions Watercolor Advent Calendar. I was asked in a couple comments to add some still shots of some of the cards, so I'm going to go back through and do that right now so I can show a little bit longer of a video and allow you to see some of the cards up close. So this one here is day 9. Oops, I got a little goober on there. So day 9. And I may go back and add in a sentiment here. Day 10, day 11, day 12, day 13, day 14, day 15, and day 16. So thank you so much for following along. I will do the final flip through when I get to day 24. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Have a great day.